You are watching WOC Concrete Talks.
Hello and welcome to the Concrete Talks. We have our very special guest today, Mr. Karan Khanna, the head of marketing at Ardex Endura, a distinguished leader of the construction chemical industry, and has been a forefront of driving innovation and sustainability in construction. And we are very excited to have him here with us. Mr. Khanna, we are pleased to have you at our Concrete Talk series. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Aarti. Thank you for having me.
Great. Let's dive right in. If you could start by telling a bit about your journey in the construction industry, Mr. Khanna.
Sure. So I started my career in the construction industry 10 years ago after completing my master's degree in structural design. I started as a structural consultant and did multiple projects for clients in Delhi NCR as well as Pan India. Post that, I went into the construction world with a company called Hilti, where I was responsible for their software business for the last 7 years. I have
Okay.
recently joined Ardex Endura, a leading player in the construction chemical industry, and it's been 5 months since I have joined here.
Great. Great journey. Thank you for sharing your experience with us. Moving forward, I would like to start with our first question here. As a leading player in the construction chemical sector, how do you foresee the construction industry in India evolving in next 5 years? And are there any specific trends or innovation you believe will dominate the market?
So India is currently one of the fastest growing economy in the world, and the construction industry is poised for significant evolution over the next years. The Indian government's focus on infrastructure development, smart cities mission, and housing for all is driving rapid urbanization and demand for new residential, commercial, as well as industrial projects. The construction sector in India is expected to see significant advancements driven by technological innovation, sustainability, and increased urban development. What we have seen is there is an increased emphasis on safety and quality, and this is slated to increase further. There is increasing awareness among the occupants, and there is more and more understanding developing on the durability and environmental impact of the buildings that we use. There are also growing concerns of impact of earthquakes and need to make our homes and offices safer. To achieve this, even our non-structural elements in the buildings have to be seismic safe, and regulatory changes are going to play a very key role in shaping the market here. There is also increased emphasis on green construction. This includes using eco-friendly materials, energy efficient systems, and sustainable construction practices. The goal is to increase the overall life cycle of the structure, and innovations in construction chemicals such as high performance concrete, self-healing concrete, advanced waterproofing solutions will gain a lot of traction. So we are seeing excessive demand for high performance flooring solutions in all the types of projects. These
Okay.
technologies contribute to more efficient building management and enhanced occupant comfort.
Mhm.
Aarti, at the end, I would just like to say need is the mother of all inventions. And
Right.
it is very important for companies like us to be connected to our customers and continue to innovate as the needs of not only our clients and consultants, but also of the end consumers using these buildings are
Hmm.
evolving continuously.
Great, Mr. Khanna. As you mentioned in the last about the construction, about the customers, their needs as they are constantly growing. So now here it comes. I would like to ask you, how does Ardex and Dura stay ahead in the curve of understanding and addressing the changes, the requirements of your clients in the construction sectors?
I would say direct customer relationship is the
Hmm.
key to understanding customer needs.
Right.
We need to be connected to our customers. And to do this, we have a strong team of around 200 people pan India who
Hmm.
are on the field directly meeting
Hmm.
industry stakeholders, construction firms, consultants, architects, applicators to
Right.
understand their needs and preferences on a day to day basis. So
Great.
they are the ones who are collecting these insights and passing it on to our technical and project management team. They
Mhm.
further conduct feedback, surveys, interviews through direct consultation with these customers.
Okay.
And they consolidate these feedbacks coming from the market directly, and we discuss this in our product board meetings, which we do on a monthly basis.
Great.
Apart from this, we are part of the bigger Ardex group, which
Hmm.
has global delivery centers of excellence. And we have a dedicated team globally which meets every quarter to discuss the technological advancements, regulatory changes, and shift in construction practices that are happening globally. So we have an eye on the changes not only in India, but also the changes that are happening globally through our global counterparts. And this
Great.
helps us to stay ahead. Apart from this, we have built an excellent Ardex Endura Academy. This is a facility in Bangalore where we can
Okay.
train up to 1,000 people in one go. And we provide comprehensive trainings for clients, contractors, builders, architects, consultants, and we regularly invite these people when we are in the journey of developing or evolving a new product. And
Great.
we make sure we showcase them. We also give them samples to try it out in real life working conditions. So apart from testings and R&D work, which Ardex Group directly invests in, we also directly partner with institutions and agencies to try and give feedback on our products. The
Great.
goal at Ardex Endura is to develop new products, improve existing ones to maximize the performance, improve the durability, and increase sustainability. So we have an initiative called System Ardex, under which we try to address the evolving needs of the customers and also make sure that these products get used the way they are intended to be used at the job site. So I'll give you one more example of how we cater to our client specific needs.
Hmm.
So recently we had an industrial customer who wanted a ESD flooring. So these are floorings which can pass on the currents which are being developed to the earthing. And they
Hmm.
wanted ESD flooring in matte finish. So
Okay.
together with this client, we developed ESD flooring in our research facility in India, and they were part of the entire development process. Once this product was developed, tested, and it passed all the required regulations, the client used it in their projects. So
Okay.
these are some of the ways and means we try to stay ahead in the industry trends and address the client needs.
Great. There have been very impressive, I would say, some great customer needs expectations you are coming up ahead with. Moving forward, as currently, I would say the word I would catch up from the last conversation, I would say the sustainability. It's a sustainability is everywhere. I would say it's becoming a very crucial part of each and every industry and even the construction. I would like to know from your end, how is Ardex Endura contributing to the green construction practices, and what are the sustainable solutions you're offering to your clients?
Definitely. So, like I mentioned earlier, our key focus is to deliver high performance, durable products which
Hmm.
help to extend the lifespan of structures. Now, longer lasting materials reduce the need for frequent repairs and replacements, leading to lower overall resource consumption. We also design our products to be low maintenance, which
Okay.
minimize the need for upkeep and reduces environmental impact associated with regular maintenance activities.
Great.
Ardex Endura provides adhesives, grouts, and other construction chemicals that are formulated in a way that they either have low or zero volatile organic compounds. This reduces indoor air pollution and promotes healthier indoor environment. Apart from this, we have products like WPM Cool Coat. This
Okay.
helps in creating a reflective and cool roof. This reduces heat absorption and contributes to lower energy usage for cooling buildings. So overall, we try to not only keep our products green, but we make solutions which help the buildings to be more greener.
Right.
And we do this in 7 of our manufacturing plants, which we have placed very strategically across India. This helps
Okay.
us to reduce the distance traveled by our manufactured goods to reach
Hmm.
our customers. We
Great.
also source all our bulk raw materials locally to reduce the ton kilometers. So very recently, we have opened a new factory at Guwahati to cater
Okay.
to the northeastern market. So this has significantly reduced our carbon footprint as well as
Mhm.
delivery timelines in the northeastern markets.
Great.
Apart from
Great.
this, we have 7 manufacturing plants, like I mentioned, and
Hmm.
our goal is to use renewable energy in all of our manufacturing plants. So we have taken the first step in this direction.
Okay.
Very recently, we set up a solar power plant to power all our Bangalore plant requirements. So
Okay.
currently, solar power plant provides close to 60% of our energy requirements, and the plan is to scale this to 100% in the next 1 year. We
Great.
are
Great.
also using recycled products in our packaging materials. So, although we have taken a lot of steps to contribute to a greener environment, but there is a lot more to be done on the
Yes.
sustainability side. But we remain committed to be carbon neutral in near future.
Great. There's very great initiatives that you're taking forward for the sustainability. As yes, as it is one of the important and the most crucial part right now for all the industries. I would say thank you so much, Mr. Khanna, for sharing your all the valuable thoughts with us today. It has actually been a very insightful conversation with you, and definitely it will be beneficial for most of the audience who would be hearing us. And we look forward for seeing some exciting developments from Endura, from Ardex Endura in the future. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Khanna.
Thank you, Aarti. Thank you for having me. It was really a great discussion.
Thank you. And I would like to thank you, our audience, for turning to into this episode of the Concrete Talk. Stay tuned for our engaging conversations with industry leaders. Until next time. Thank you.